Yo, YouTube, this the boy Silly O at Monelio Trading. We about to go live and start doing this real deal. You feel me? Just watch how I trade. This shit easy, man. Don't get complicated. Don't make it be complicated. Don't make it be confusing. It might be confusing, but most of the time you just gotta go with the trend. You go with the trend, you have a higher probability of winning, you feel me, in binary options with everything else too, in trading, forex, stocks, all that. But sometimes the trend go against you, you feel me, it might end. So you might go in the trend lead and all that, so you got all to peep that. But if you with the trend, everything should be cool, you heard? So we about to share this screen right quick. Damn. Ain't nobody on my shit. Like, how you to have people coming? Fuck it. We aren't to share this screen. I need my dopamine. You feel me? I woke up, wanted to trade, so like I already traded. It's my second live. So I already got a dopamine, but I want more. My dopamine is trading, you feel me? So boom. So let's get to it. Oh, I sold. This could be a good one right there. We could wait for it, but we already missed it, so we went down anyway. Sit right there, catch it. So boom, we wait. Since we're on this currency pair, we gonna fuck this shit up. See what you wanna do. We still in oversold. Wait for our green candle to get eaten. You feel me? But like I said, the trend will change. So you gotta know when that change. Okay, still fighting. Ooh, one top. Bitch ass nigga. I'll leave it that. I'll leave that go. You know why? Because I thought it was down. Oh, we could go. Okay. After that green, we could go down. That's the right way of really trading. Once you see the play happen, you wait for that retracement, the green, and then you could go down. You feel me? High probability of going down. Once you eat some more. I guess I gonna eat this currency pair up. Try to fuck me up. But eat it up. Eat it up. So like I say, once you make it play, boom, you wait for the green, and once the green finish, you could go down. But sometimes it continue going down, so that sucker might go in, no matter what. And I gonna have to go through this little train of losers. But it's a high probability because it crosses slow no matter what, even if it go against me. Boom. It's an algorithm. I've been saying this shit for years. So you see what I do now? It crossed this boom, so it should be going up. Damn, I click it 3 fucking times. Boom, it came out too, came out to oversold. You see, you got an pin. Once it cross a high, we could go up. Even if it go down. I already eat that A up. We going up to the high on that A. But altogether, we on a low. It might start catching up because we're going to the 100. But you see, it could change like that. And if it don't pop up, we good. You see how it changed? It was going up. You see, just the trend. So I mean, it try and hit the blue. You see, it changed. It changed because we already on a downward movement for real. So this was a little consolidation going up. So that's what I'm really telling you what really going on. But if it crosses slow, we going down to this low right there. Hold on, now we went down to go down to this low right there. It came down low to my oversold. Look what going on, man. It came out, ate this candle right there. Came back down, eat this green. And then guess what? These are flocking up. Right, boom, 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 easy. Man, this shit crazy. Big M's forever, silly yo, nigga. Like I say, if it cross this, we shooting on to that bottom right down there. See, I would have been all in this. You're gonna drop. You have to drop. Because that big candle right there. Well, you have to bring a red candle. A red candle have to come because of this candle right there. This happen, break this low, boom, red come, red came. You looking for a win. Cross a candle, that candle have to come back. You don't know when, but you have to come back. So you won't be winning until it come. You gonna win because it gotta come back. So we coming out of the zone. It's showing you it eat that. And if it wanted to go down, it would have never eat a red. It would have never eat the red. It would have continued going down. But it's showing you it want to go up. That's if I lost. So now we see what's going on. We still on the lower. We still on. See, if it wanted to go down, it would have eat that green. But it did not want to go down. You just gotta know the and shit. But just remember, if you go with the trend and then you find a confirmation within the trend, you're good to go. The best way to find out the trend, if you can't look at the chart and see the trend, is really looking at your indicators. You feel me? You see, they say brown is red, blue is green. So the brown, you see brown, and you see it touching a brown. That means brown is red, red is down, down is sell. So if you see that, that means you see blue, blue, blue. You see, now it let me know. You see that eating a candle, so I could go up no matter what. Sometimes you might get catching one of these. They don't matter. It's an algorithm, so you don't catch. It's like a beat. But we in the overbought, where we in the buying section right now. Some people say this is selling, section is buying, selling. But however you want to do it, to me, the top, when I see the top, you start buying. That's why I see. Back in the day, I used to do the opposite. When it hit the top, I was losing more. I was in martingale, I was losing more. So I said, fuck that. You ain't really eat that red, so I couldn't go in. But like I said, we in upward movement. And eat. If that first come out, eat it out, I went up. But the right way is you wait for that red candle, and then you could go up. Especially if you think it's a up. The reason why it's a up, it's a push. Rotational pull on the upside. If everything is on, you feel me? You see? There's a gravitational pull on the upside. You see what I'm talking about? That's why I don't go down. But some people will say when they come up here, you just go down. Not me. I gotta go up. See, you're going up. Not I and I. You see, there's no candle that had a red yet. No, it ain't have one red yet. So that's why I would have continued going up. When they see they say go down. When it's an over, that's what they say, go down. But if you do look at it, do. But ain't even hit the overboard. So I don't know. So let me use this analogy. They say support. Okay, this is a support because these ain't hit the overboard. But these wasn't over. You feel me? These wasn't buying territory, but still, this a support. When you hit the support, they say go down automatically, which could be true. But sometimes it will break this support. Well, resistance. This resistance. So sometimes it will break. You see it break. So like I say, you gotta know price action. You gotta know the mechanism of how the candle moving. So right now we in overbought, but it crosses green, so we might continue going down. And we on a movement from the up. So this is when you could start going down. You feel me? But again, we still on an upward trend. Smaller one. This one right here is like an upward trend. Okay, then once you see a break go in, break is eating a candle. That's all that means. A break. Break our resistance, break our resistance, and a break our support. We're gonna do this all together. Sometimes you could just relax and just wait for the best setup for real. And he'll tell a story all the time. It's a story. You wait. Okay, boom. What did it say? Head and shoulder. Whatever the fuck did it say? I mean, it ate this. They said that's why you see it ate that. So I went 10. Simple. Are we going to oversold? I have it on a lower time frame because they're giving me more plays and I don't have to wait for it to touching the low and the high. Fast, I don't have to be waiting. It's stuck on the low, and then I already made money from the low, and then I got wait until keep making money on the low. I like action, you feel me? And once it crack, we going down. That's the crack right there. That's the crack right there. Let's move on. Play. Pop, pop. Wonderful play. Need some money, bro.